In this video, I want to show you how to pair your Logitech mouse, that is the M550, with your PC Windows computer. There's two different ways how this can be done. So the first way is if you open the small door over here, you can take the USB dongle, simply plug it on the side of your PC, and the mouse will work as soon as you turn it on. But this is a bit of a hassle. You can also use Bluetooth, which you can put this back, make sure a battery is inserted in the mouse, turn on the switch over here towards the right side so you see the green color, and we need to keep press this button right above until the light starts flashing quickly. So let me press on it. I'm waiting. Okay, it flashes quickly. I can release it. Put the mouse aside your PC computer. Sometimes you may have a notification here telling you that you can connect your mouse. If you don't see the notification, simply go into the Bluetooth settings. So over here, if you don't see the Bluetooth logo where you can click on it, tap the small arrow and click this icon, the Bluetooth, and then select Add Bluetooth Device. You'll then need to click Add Device on the top. Select the first option, which is Bluetooth. And just like that, the Logitech M550 has appeared. You can click on it and it will start connecting. You can also click connect here. This takes usually 15 seconds or less. So let's be a bit more patient. And here we go. We got the connected message. You can start using your mouse and rely only on the Bluetooth. Now, if you go on the search down below and you type mouse, you'll be able to access the mouse settings where you can edit the mouse pointer speed, the scroll speed, and many other things about your Logitech mouse. So you can customize it the way you want. Once you're done using both of these together, maybe at night, I suggest you turn it off. So simply switch it off so it doesn't drain the battery. Next time you want to use both, turn it on and the PC will recognize it automatically and you'll be able to use it in a second. So thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, but also comment down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.